just as much over closed doors as we do open doors. And we are grateful that there are some doors that were closed in our life that kept us from being connected and tied up and entangled with people, places, or things that are not according to God's will, purpose, and plan for our life. I thank God for some closed doors. I thank God that the doors that were closed actually kept me on the right track. And we began to look through the scriptures, and from there we understood that he came into a host of men that were struggling a little bit. The Bible said they were in debt, discontented, and distressed. But isn't it amazing? The scripture said these same men who carried these specific characteristics when they first met David, but after David, the Bible said, became captain over them. We read over several chapters in the book of Samuel and even in the book of Chronicles that these same men became David's mighty men. Amazing what good leadership does in the lives of individuals, that he could have easily wrote them off as nothing or trash or no worth. But evidently David saw something in them that they probably didn't see in themselves, and was willing to take the time when he was in need, when he needed prayer, when he needed provisions, when he needed somebody to lay hands on him.